Hi guys, Lester here of WRC, and as promised, I'm here to unbox the wireless mic that I bought, the branded wireless mic, and this is the DJI Mic Mini wireless microphone. As you can see, I already removed the plastic for easy unboxing, so let's unbox it. I was lucky that uh, I got this from the store that I went to. They only have two pieces because the seller that I come across with at TikTok shop, they everything was sold out. Uh, so this is the pouch. So when you open the pouch, there's the cable and there's the wind protector. And here is the case, and there's a tag, a DJI tag. Here's the case. And inside the box, before I forget, there's a instruction booklet. So we'll get to that when I review the microphone. But first, we're going to unbox muna. So here is the screen protector. No, sorry, the wind protector. There's two pairs of them. There's the black and the gray. So when you're outdoors, you'll have a better quality audio, so that it will be protected from the wind. Yun. Pag nasa labas tayo, hindi siya mahangin pakinggan. Yan, pwede mo siya ilagay dun sa mic. So two pairs siya. Yan, two pairs ng gray, two pairs ng black. Yan siya. Oops. There. And this one is the charger cable for the case, because the case is the charger of the transmitter and the receiver. So dito mo siya china-charge. Dito mo ilalagay yung mic saka yung receiver para ma-charge siya. So here's the case. Made I think it's hard plastic. So let's open it. There's a lock. You press it here. And there you go. There's the receiver. You can use this also for your DSLR camera. There. And inside there's a, a two plugs for the camera. You plug it here and one for the camera. And inside also, here's the two transmitter or the microphone. There. And another one is here's the extra accessory is the Type C plug for your phone. So you can use it on your phone if you want to use your phone as the camera. So here's the Type C plug. This is for iPhone 15 and some Android phones. There. For the lightning plug, you need to buy it separately. And there you go. I will make a review of this wireless mic on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.